Causes of skin damage. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to Gursai, and today we are going to discuss about the causes of skin damage. So let's get started. Sun exposure. The risk of skin cancer, dark spots, wrinkling of skin and visible redness are all just due to exposure of your skin into the harsh sunlight. According to the scientists, 90% of skin diseases are due to exposure to sunlight. Prefer using good quality sunscreen and at least of SPF 30. And don't forget sunglasses obviously. Now go to a sportsman and explain about it. Then you will see none of the kicks are out of your body. Number 2. Sugar. If you are suffering from sugar, then it's quite difficult to get back your old shiny and glowing skin because sugar destroys the collagens in the skin, which turns your skin wrinkled. Number 3. Avoid addiction. Smoking, alcohol are the main addictions that causes skin damage because exclusively alcohol pulls water from your body and destroys the complexion of your skin, and if you are firmly addicted, best one is to leave it. Number 4. Stress. Stress damages maximum part of your body as well as your future life also. Stress not only damages skin but also increases dandruff, hair fall and hair damage. The best way to reduce stress is to go into deep meditations such as praying namaz for Muslims, slow belly breathing exercises and many other yogas as well. Number 5. Foods. Whenever you have a health issue, this is the point that you will find a common one. You need to increase the amount as well as the number of types of food that you are consuming. Fruits and vegetables are quite important during that time. Prefer consuming more walnuts, salmon, flax seeds. These foods will not only care your skin but also pump your skin up so that it looks attractive and shiny as well. Number 6. The most important, sleep. If you don't sleep at regular hours, so it's the main cause, it's the number one cause of skin damage. It will result in dark circles, wrinkling of face. Overall, we can say the main reason is it produces excess cortisol, which reduces skin turnover. 7 to 8 hours sleep is recommended for adults. Now don't think that I am not letting you to be a topper in your class. So that's all for today. If you have liked this video, give a like, subscribe our channel for more exciting and healthy tips. So that's all for today. See you on the next video. Till the time, bye bye.